Hello, I'm Luca Santella, responsible of product development of Bluegame. You can enjoy a very important and strategic area of the boat. The wheel station with the reverse windscreen gives you the best visibility while you are at maneuvering, because you have full control with the glass around you and complete view in the forefront or in the aft. Here you have a 10 places dining area, or just after dinner, just enjoying the outside in a very covered niche. So you are protected by the sun or by the wind, enjoying this beautiful area. So the owner has got its own private beach connected to his volumes. This is one of the main characteristics of BGX 70. This September in Cannes we will be proposing our first BGX 60. So a smaller size of BGX, but still presenting all the features I've been showing you.